Ooh, look at that fancy wheel. We got another battery issue. He broke my battery after it fell apart in half again.
Yeah, blame it on me.
I did. You were the last one that touched it before I did.
Yeah, whatever. You broke it before I ever got to it.
Looks like the valve stem is our low spot. This is called gravity. Gravity works good. Mother Nature is always right. She never lies. As long as you're not dragging anything. Okay, where's your weight? This is our biggest one? Or is this one next to it? Which one do you want? This one or that one?
What's that one? What's that one? One on the left.
That's the skinny one we had on there before. Which one?
One on the left.
You want the left one?
Yeah.
The other left?
There we go.
Is the one with the big nick on the bottom, the bad spot, the chrome
yeah,
damage?
I'm prying the damn thing off.
Okay, which one do you want to put on? You want to put on that bent spoke?
Yeah, that's it.
The one right dead top center?
Cover up that bent spoke.
Cover up that bent spoke right there with the bent weight. Okay, we got it. Quit moving. Okay, if you got 90 degrees, hopefully it doesn't move anymore. I don't know.
Well, it's only the worst.
Think that'll work? What if you go over here?
Problem solved.
Appears to be something wrong. There you go. We'll get some movement
I
now.
think we're pretty close.
You think it's close enough for you?
Yeah, hell yeah. Call it good.
Where's your hammer at?
Let's see. There's a hammer right there.
Beat it on with a hammer. You need a metal hammer.
Here you go.
There's one right there. It's your spoke. You break it. Beat it on there. Big ass hammer. Put on there like you know what you're doing. Okay, that's good. Don't wear it out now.
Okay.
If you're going too far, it makes it heavier. Okay, how close is it? How much wobble do we got in it? That's not too bad up and down.
Don't look on this side. Got a little bit of a walk to it. But
It's perfect. Look at that. It's hardly moving at all. Yeah, that's like perfect. See, the rim and the tire don't go together though when you look at them both. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine.
yeah.
It's not going to know the difference.
Nope.
Is that low drag wheel? Because it's not dragging very much. Your brake's not dragging hardly at all.
Good.
Those are good wheel bearings. Did you grease those up really good?
No, I put all my efforts into making sure it was as greasy as it could possibly be.
Good. You got a Zerk on there in case you need more.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get that thing off there. You know how to do that? Yeah, good job. Have to undo the locking devices first.
Alright.
You got to lift.
Alright.
Okay.
Slide this guy out of
You
here.
got to take the nut off.
Nut off.
Yeah, let me help you a little bit. You're getting look like you're overworking there. You got to put it right down here out of the way. There we go.
Yeah, you want this too?
Oh shit! Right in my face. We might need that later. Put that down here.
Okay. I guess I'll bolt this up to the brake drum now.
I'd put that on the brake drum. Yeah. I'd put the left side on the left, though, not the right on the left.
Yeah.
These are in the way again. Just keep getting in the way. What are you doing with the hammer over here? What are you doing that?
Everything's in the way.
I got some weights here too. We got extra weights. We want to put those.
Use it in the back maybe.
We'll put them on the back in case we need them.
Yeah.
Get some rim straps here we're not using.
No, not yet.
It's a nice bracket. I'd keep that back here with a weight. The lift was right there. It's gone. Half-ring pliers, screwing tools. Well, you got all kinds of tools out. It's like we're working or something here. All right, look at that. Is it gonna fit? I remember we had to turn the front wheel. Remember?
That's right. That's
You
right.
lay it up here. Put it up. Stand it up. Get that wheelie rag out of the way. Here, I got that. I got it under control. Just take off the one strap there, and you'll be fine. There we go. Safety last. See, we got to undo the safety devices. Oh, geez, almost fell off.
Pieces fall off over
The
here.
bike almost hit me. Trying to hit me. I saw that. No, you break my flashlight now.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no, you're trying to get the grease out. He's trying to lubricate the tire already. You're almost at it.
I know. I'm getting there.
Might as well let the air out of the tire. Wanna let the air out of the tire? Force it. Let the air out of the tire?
Guess I have to.
Okay, we'll let the air out of the tire.
Here you go. It's on the valve stem.
Ooh.
Deluxe valve stem.
He's lucky you got the air. You got the air deflator right there.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. You could piss somebody off quickly there. Boy. Coming out there and finding out their tire is flat.
I think I can suck back in there. We're in good shape.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that, would it?
I hope not.
Yeah, that tube doesn't like that rim at all.
It does not.
Look how much easier that was. It's almost like that's how you're supposed to do it.
I just feel like I should put some air back in this thing
Before it blows up.
Yeah.
I know there's some air around here. Got some of this. There you go. I'll connect that to it, it'll go right in. Where the valve stem can go. Yeah, there it is. Okay. I had about 28, 30, whatever.
Yeah.
You're supposed to run low pressure in these things.
Okay.
You gotta hold that down so it's semi-straight. Put some air in it. You don't put it back on an angle again. I know these tubes aren't made for these offset rims like this. There we go. You got air going in now.
Yeah.
Oh, I got air pressure. Ooh, look at that. There's a lot in there. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Just put in there. What do you have?
30. Shit.
30.
30, Yuri.
You get a spit test?
Fine.
Not leaking? Sure?
Good.
Good. No air bubble means no leak.
No bubbles, no leaks.
What are you looking for? Ooh. You're using a genuine Harley lug wrench and genuine Harley lugs. Imagine that. Oh, you lost my hook. Oh, those are valuable tools. Where's the axle? You put in the hole, it works better.
Is that?
If you put the axle in there, it works better for alignment.
Okay.
There you go. You can torque the snot out of it, it won't bend down on you. Oh, there's a new girlfriend out there.
I think somebody's having too much fun.
Virus alert. Call up Newsom. So you have someone's having fun. Come by and take all the fun away. What are you torquing it down for?
I wasn't, I just snugging it.
Yeah, but you only got one in.
I got 2 in.
Oh, why don't you put them all
On
in?
the other side.
Why don't you put them all in there before you torque the snot out?
Okay, alright.
Jeez, no wonder the brake doesn't work.
Yeah,
Good thing you're not using an un-Harley tool. Be in trouble. See, we've got to charge extra 2 days of work on one wheel. Oh, I heard that brake dragging already.
Mm.
Did you warp the brake drum already?
Do some adjustments on it.
Did you warp it already?
I hope not.
Yeah, fancy tool works good. Look at that.
No mas.
Ooh, it's almost no drag at all. You all in?
Yeah, they're all in.
Wait, you want some help over there?
I need you to hold the brake.
You can't hold the brake and do the torquing at the same time? Is that where you want it?
Yeah, sure.
Let me test the brake. It didn't move. That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Which one you missed?
Let me just check them all real quick. This one we're good. Good.
Yeah, that works good up there.
Now let me get this hubcap back in here.
Oh, you want the chrome on there? Oh, it looks better without that crappy chrome
I
on
want
there.
the chrome on it.
That's this nasty looking chrome. Jeez, that thing's horrible looking. Everybody's gonna want to know why there's a hole in there.
Sorry?
Everybody's gonna want to know why there's a hole in there.
It's to line up for the grease zerk, right?
Yeah, so you can take the damn thing off. That's where the lug wrench goes through.
Oh,
So you have to pull the hub. You have to pull the hubcap off to get those off.
I'll be down.
You want to put that where you can see it? You want to hunt it down back here? You don't look at it.
Alright, well, put down the rings. Yeah. Should be good.
That's a pretty good job. What are you doing?
I want this, it's got to be facing forward so the air flows through it.
So the air flow through it. You gotta have it in line with itself. Gotta make sure it's going straight.
That's right.
Okay, good.
Oh, good. Let's see, let me snug this
Find
up.
your nut. Let me see that tripod over there.
Sorry?
Tripod. Okay. Okay, you're strapped. Make sure it's straight now. Aerodynamic loads, very important. Now if you get it slightly downhill too, they give you a little bit of downforce and hold the front end down at high speed. This is a low speed bike, so I'm going to leave this flat, straight.
Is it?
Got tight?
Yeah, there's actually a hole for a cotter pin, but I don't think I reach it to the...
Just tighten it up now.
Oh, that's good.
I'm going to put the brake on before I did that.
Sorry?
I usually put the brake on before you do that. We have to recenter it anyway. Okay, is it tight?
Yeah, it's tight.
You sure? Okay, you got to unloose the bolt over there.
Oh, there's a bolt.
The pivot. Got to recenter up the brake.
Oh, yeah. You gotta... Yeah, it's loose.
Damn it. Those are tight. Tighten it up. Tighten up the pivot over there while you hold the brake up here full tight. With your hand way up there. Tight.
Okay.
See,
Smooth.
it doesn't drag as much now. Still does drag a little bit though.
Yeah, keep rolling down the road where it break it in. Brake that stops. Look at that. I guess I should put this back and lock it in place, huh? A good spot for it where it's at?
Loosen up again.
Huh?
Loosen up again. The pivot.
Oh, okay.
I put it on the spot where it's dragging, so I'm holding the brake on.
Okay.
Tighten it back up again.
Yeah.
Still tight in that one spot. Might be worse. do it again. Unscrew it. Loose?
Loose.
Okay, do it. Do it to it. Gotta find the sweet spot.
Okay.
A little better. Still in there though. It's got like 2 spots, you can hear it. So he's tightening up the pivot for the brake shoes right here, which allows the shoes to shift if they're working the drum. So you go feel the brake up there and see if that's where you want the pull to be. I think it's at a good spot there, but you can adjust it more if you want or less, depending on what you want.
I'll run with that, and if I want to adjust it after the fact, I know how to do that.
Yeah, you could probably tighten up like half a turn's about all I'd go. I'd say probably go half a turn tighter.
Just like that.
All right. So I double jam this, holds that where you want it to be. So these 2 nuts here jam, it just slips into a tube. With a 1/2 inch probably.
Go with 1/2 inch.
Double half. Yep, there you go. Oh, you even got ding dongs hanging down. Look at that.
Yeah.
I didn't know you had all the fancy stuff on
At
there.
all.
Jeez, you're full on. You're
Okay.
screwing around. You got all that fancy stuff.
What's that?
All right, there you go. Look at that. I mean, lights out.
Oh, you're right. It's on. Never mind.
You're blind.
Looks like this thing shrunk down or something.
I didn't break that. No way.
Probably old age.
I didn't touch that thing at all.
You know, shrinkage.
Shrinkage. You put it out in the sun, it'll grow it back up again. All right, so the brake's working good for you?
Yeah, we're happy now. New tire on it. You can actually stick to the road and.
Rim's almost straight and everything.
Yeah.
Wheels are good. So you're good for 1,000 miles if we have to redo those brakes.
Right on.
Or redo the, not the brakes, but the bearings.
Yeah. Well, maybe I'll see about finding some other wheels and.
Maybe you just put some grease and Zerk over there, might do the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're probably good. Yeah, as much grease you put in there, you're probably good for about 5,000, but you have to do it, redo it by then. These are not long-term wheels. All right, so we got to put the front end on the ground to get this off. You want to do the primary next?
Good call.
I'd say get the primary off. We're going to have to drop the front end down, get that board out of there. So put the lift over here. We're going to do some jockeying around and we'll be back.